Hello guys, welcome to our Python Bootcamp series. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to continue data structure in Python. Okay, so here I have already completed list and tuple and set. Now I am going to teach you dictionary. Okay, so in this video we can see what is the dictionary, create a dictionary, how to create dictionary, access the dictionary element, modify the elements of dictionary, dictionary method, iterating over the dictionary, nested dictionary, dictionary comprehension, and practical example. Okay, so what is dictionary? So dictionary are unordered collection of item. Okay, they store data in key and value pairs. Okay, so they have different key and different value. I mean, they have key and value pairs. Key must be unique and immutable, for example, string, number, or tuple, while value can be of any type. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen with you. Guys, guys, it's a 3:35 a.m. in night. Okay, nobody is here. Okay, okay, now you can see I'm going to create dictionary. So this is the input dictionary. Here I'm going to check its type, input empty dictionary. So it will show you this is an empty dictionary. Okay, now again I'm just going to write empty dict by using dict here, using constructor. Okay, so this is the constructor, and I'm going to print this empty dict. So what I got, empty dictionary. Okay, now I am going to write student equals to, these are the name, and name nidhi, age 32, and grade equals to a. Okay, so name is the key, age is also key, and grade is also key, and value I have name key and its value is nidhi, age is value key and its value is 32, grade is key and its value is a. Okay, now I am going to print. So I got this dictionary. Okay, now we can duplicate keys, overwrite earlier value. So here a student equals to this one. I'm just going to create this line. I'm going to print student. I need to print what? I'm just going to print grade. Okay, grade should be in integer, sorry, in string. Okay, so I got a. Or you can also print different key. Here you can write age, then it is print 32. Here you can print name, then you got nidhi. Okay, I hope you got it. Access, we can access the dictionary by using key. Okay, so here access using key. So you can access this by using key, or if you don't want to use like this, then you need to create like this. Okay, you can also get element with the help of get method. Okay, so here you can also write get. You need to keep it in round bracket, or you can call parent. It is parenthesis. Actually, I'm getting confused. I don't know brackets name. Okay, properly. So here you can see student grade equals A, and get age I got 32, and get name I get name here. Now accessing dictionary. Okay, so here student age equals to student age equals to 32. Okay, so we already have student age equals to 32. If you want to update it into a 20, okay, then you need to check by using print student. So here you can see age should be updated it into a 20. Okay, or if you want to delete student it oh, if you want to delete student grades, grad. Okay, so you can see here. I need to print here after this. Okay, so I got error. Key error. Delete student grade. I need to check. G is spelling is grad. Delete student grade, and I'm going to print student age equals to 33. Delete student. I got error in grade key error. Okay, I need to write it again. I'm giving here another variable that is student1. Okay, so grade will be deleted from this dictionary. Okay, now you can see modify dictionary element. So here I'm going to use print student1 dot key. Okay, so we can see only keys, but I need to write brackets here. Okay, so I got dictionary keys. These are the keys, name and age. If you want to print dictionary values, okay, so we have values that is Nidhi and age, Nidhi and 32. Okay, if you want to print item, so you got items, key and values. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. Okay, now using dictionary method, This is the dictionary 2. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Oh, these are the dictionary method. Modifying dictionary element. Okay, guys, these are the dictionary methods. Okay, and here in modify age, I already explained these things to you. You need to change the element. Okay, you need to update the age. Over here, you can update name with India. Okay, then you can check print student one. I have student one, so that's why I need to write student one. Okay, then you can see name should be India and age should be 20. Okay, so I have to modify dictionary element here. Okay, and this is the dictionary methods. Key, values, and item. We can access keys by using key method, or we can access values by using value method, and we can access both key and values by using items. Okay, now I need to remove this. Copying dictionary. Okay, so here you can see no dictionary is created. Okay, reference copy, this is the reference copy, same memory reference. Okay, so no new dictionary is created, both variable refer to the same object. Okay, here both copy reference and student point to the same dictionary in the memory. So if you change the one, the other change too. Okay, so I have first dictionary, that is student. I am going to write another variable, that is coffee reference, and I'm going to pass in coffee reference that student. Okay, now I'm going to access element from the student. Okay, so here student name of, I'm here taking name from the student. Okay, and I'm going to update it into a nidhi 1 2. Okay, now I'm going to print coffee reference. Okay, I'm not going to print student. Okay, so here I got nidhi 2. So it means if you change one element, if you change one variable or element from one, then other change too. Okay, and you can see here shallow copy, so new outer object and same inner reference. Okay, create a new dictionary with the same key value pairs, change to the top level key won't affect the copy, but if the dictionary contain nested dictionary or change inside the nested object will still reflect. Okay, so here you can see I have this list. Okay, now I'm creating another variable, copy real, and here I'm going to copy this student. Okay, so here I'm going to change update name in student. Okay, that is Nidhi I2. Okay, and I also going to update skills. Okay, so in skills I'm going to append ML inner list modify. Okay, so I'm going to print it. I'm going to print both. Okay, so I got in student. Okay, because I modified name from student and skill. I'm going to add skill here. So here I got name and skill Python AI ML. Okay, so this is the inner list modification skill dot append ML. Okay, so I'm going to update this skill dot append element. This is the inner list modification. So here you can see I'm going to use this print copy real. So here I'm going I got output. So name nidhi. Okay, names should be same here. Okay, but skill should be change by updating ml. Okay, so inner list modified and top level key change here. Here you can see create a new dictionary with the same key value pair and change to the top level key won't affect the copy. Or what if the dictionary contain nested dictionary? Okay, so this is the nested dictionary. Here you can see this is the nested dictionary Python in AI. Okay, so if it is contain nested dictionary or list, change the inside nested object. Okay, that's why it will change nested object here. Now deep copy create a complete new object including all nested object. Okay, any change in the original dictionary, even inside nested structure, do not affect the copy one. Okay, so here I'm going to import copy. This is our student dictionary, and this is deep copy, copy deep variable. Here I'm going to copy this student copy by using deep copy. I'm going to copy student here. Okay, so I'm going to update student skill dot append ml. Okay, now I am going to print student and copy. So what I got here, so here you can see student are going change here. Okay, here after python a and ai, here I got ml because I am going to update this. Okay, but in copy deep, um, unable to be we can see here it is unable to change this thing. Okay, so here you can see create a completely new object. Okay, so this is a new object. Okay, any change in the original dictionary even inside the nested structure do not affect the copy one. Okay, so this is the copied dictionary but do not affect this copied dictionary. Okay, any change in the original dictionary, even inside the nested structure, do not affect the copied one. It create a completely new object, including all nested object. Okay. Now iterating over dictionary. Okay, so we are going to use apply loops. First of all, you need to use for k in student dot keys and print k. So it will print all the keys, name and skill in student. Okay, after this, like if you use this line then it will print values. Okay, so I got values nidhi python ai ml. Okay, now if you are going to print both k and b or use item, so it will print key and values. Okay, these are the key and values. Here you can see k in student dot key. Dot key means it will give you key. Okay, from dictionary. And here you can see I am going to use student dot values. Okay, so here it will give you values, and here I'm going to use k and v in student dot item. Item means we got both key and values here. Okay, so this will give you key and values. Okay, so I have key and values here. Now nested dictionary, so we have dictionary inside the dictionary. Okay, this is the outer dictionary, and here I have one dictionary student 1, this one, and another dictionary student 2. Okay, now I am going to print student 2 name. Okay, and also print student 2 age. So it will print, I'm going to check. Okay, so it will print Peter and age 35. Okay, now iterate over the nested dictionary. Okay, for SID information student dot item, print SID and key value in the information dot item. So I got this is the information. If I am going to comment this, then you can see here I got name equals to Nidhi, age equals to 35, name equals to Peter, and age equals to 35. For key and values in the information dot item, print key and values. Okay, said information, said an information in student SID, okay, sequence ID and information in a student dot item, and 4 key and value info dot item, print key and values, okay. SID means this one, student 1 and student 2, sequence of dictionary, sequence ID, okay. This is from student 1 and this is from student 2. So here four SID and SID and info in the students, okay. So I have student this, okay, and SID and information from here, dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, okay. In student dot items, print SID, student 1, student 2. Okay guys, now I am going to write code for dictionary comprehension, 8 number dictionary comprehension. So here I am going to write square equals to x colon x square square to 4x in range of 5. Print sqr. Okay, so you can see here x in this is the key and this is for value. No, x equals to x to the power 2, okay, 4x in the range of 5, okay. So we have range of 5 from 0 to 4, okay. So here its range is from 0 to 4, and here I'm going to square every x, okay. X equals to, we have 0 index and 0 value, okay. So then it will square this, okay. Again again we have x equals to 1, then I got 1 here, square of 1. Then we have x equals to 2, index 2 and value is also 2, then it will square the value that I got 4 here. Here I have index 3 and value is also 3, but I want to square of 3, then it will become 9. I also have key equals to 4 and value equals to 4, but I want to score, that's why I got 16 here, okay. Now I am going to use conditioner. I need to copy it. Here I just need to change, and here I'm giving condition here, if x is divided by 2 is equals to 0, then it will print even number, okay. So I got even number, okay. So I have a square of number like this here by using this. Then after squaring the number, I need to check this condition, x equals to x is divided by 2. I got x divided by 2, I got equals to 0, x divided by 2 equals to 0, then it will print even number. So these are the even number, 0, 2, 4, 16, 36, 8, 64, okay. Now you can see count the frequency of element, okay. So this is the list, and here this is the empty dictionary. I'm going to store frequency of these element, okay. So for n in numbers, okay. So I have, these are the numbers and we need to take n equals to 1 one by one, n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, one by one we can pick element from the numbers, okay, that is n. So I'm going to count frequency. This is the formula, frequency of n equals to frequency dot get n 0 plus 1, okay. And print frequency, I got these count. I have one at one time, and count of two, it is two present, or you can say 2 appear 2 time here. That's why I have 2 count. 3 appear 3 time. Okay, 4 appear 4 time. Okay, merge two dictionaries. So I have dictionary 1 with key and values. I have dictionary 2. So here I'm going to merge by using asterisk dictionary 1 comma dictionary with asterisk dictionary 2. These are going to unpack the I mean asterisks are going to you unpacking the dictionaries in key and values. Okay, now I am going to print merge. So I got merge dictionary like this: A colon 1, B colon 3, C colon 4.